Hey guys, so welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the severed spine seed in Grow a Garden. As you can see, it is a limited reward and you'll need to submit, I guess, these items here. I don't have any of these. Well, I don't have like Bainsberry and like Ghoul Root and Poison Apple, but I'm going to try to submit what I have so far. So let's see, carrot and then submit. You can skip it. I think you get like, well, you need to pay instead, I think. Is there any more like carrot ones? See, let's do the carrot ones first. Submit. Do I have any more carrots? No. Okay, let's see, strawberry. Do I have even any bloodlet ones? But honestly, that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!